This is a promo for my book, A Guide to Basic Small Off-Grid Alternative Power, published by myself, Berosman. Having alternative power and living off the grid is a liberating experience, I find. This guide will help you design and build a system that fits your needs. The guide is for small off-grid power and energy systems. So inside we have an introduction and an explanation about alternative power, because it's not only solar, it's LPG, propane, wood, wind power, all sorts of power. Then I've got chapters on my own experience and my current setup. I also need to do a few updates to really get enough power for the bad days. Then we've got a chapter what you need for a basic system and what a basic system will power. Gathering your components, and then we set up your system, your solar system anyway. The rest is not so bad. Then I've got my use of LPG and my other gizmos that I have. I've also got a chapter on hacks, tips and tricks, and some online resources. A little bit about Ohm's law, the pros and cons of off-grid versus tied grid, the pros and cons of 12 versus 24 volt. So as you can see, it's a comprehensive book.